everybody, this is Silvia. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I wanted to share some of the Hobby Lobby items that I got. These are all specifically from the paper crafting area. These were all on clearance, so I was really excited. I ended up finding these Tim Holtz Distress ink. I do have some, but they're not. I got this, but I think I got this one at Tuesday morning. But this is just, it just says acid-free dye based ink. But these are all the ones that I have. I might have some Tim Holtz, but I don't even remember what colors I have. I need to look for them because I really honestly don't know where they are. Because I was trying to think, which ones do I have? Do I have these? Do I not have them? But to be honest, I have no idea where they are. So I kind of have to look for them. And I'm looking at a drawer here that I have next to me to see if they're in here. Oh, I do have some here. I'm wondering if it's the one that I bought. But let me show you what I got. Because they were still a good deal. They were, okay, so this is the first one. This one is, you see, I don't know if somewhere it tells you what the colors are or not. I think it's just kind of depending on the little kit. But this one here is a reduced item. It was originally $10.99 and I got it for $2.74. And it has fired brick, mowed lawn, salty ocean, and seedless preserves. So I really I have this little tool here that you're able to add your I don't even know what they're called, but you're able to add these alcohol ink mini applicator felts. So I actually used one of those the other day and it worked really well. So I really liked how it turned out. And I just kind of just blended it. So that's what I'm thinking I'm gonna use this for, unless I use it for other stuff. But so these are 4 1x1 ink pads, and like I said, they were originally $10.99 and I got them for $2.74. And then here, let me show you this one. I'm not sure what the difference in these things are. I don't know. I don't know if there's a difference. It's just the collection. I'm not really sure. I have no idea. I'm clueless because it's the second time that I buy this, but the other ones were less. Same thing. These were $2.74, and this one has wilted violet, carved pumpkin, lucky clover, candied apple. So it sounds like these are, it looks like these are Halloween colors. Definitely these and this one, candied apple. And then the other one, which I think I might have these. This one is $2.74 as well. Antique linen, vintage photo, walnut stain, and black suit. And then here's this other one. Again, $2.74. And then this one has barn door, pumice stone, faded jeans, peeled paint. And then this one right here, I thought the colors were pretty cool. $2.74 again. Picked raspberry, mustard seed, peacock feathers, and spice marmalade. Marmalade, I think. Marmalade. I don't know. They both sound good to me. And then I found these are bigger ones, if you noticed, obviously. These are, what size are these? Looks like these might be 3x3. I want to say, if we're measuring all the way to where the product is, because these are considered 1x1. I don't know, because this is, okay, so this one's 1x1, but it's not the whole container, so I'm thinking it's just going by the pad. I'm gonna say these might be 2x2 maybe. It doesn't say anywhere. So anyways, I got this one here. This one was originally $5.99. I got it for $1.49. And I got cracked pistachio, evergreen bow, Salty Ocean, which we have over here already. Forest Moss, so there's no repeat except for that one right now. And then this final one, it says fossilized amber. So I ended up getting that one as well. So these are all the inks that I got. I'm really excited to use these, just because, like I said, I have like started using some of these like in some projects. Excuse me. The other thing I wanted to share that was also in the paper crafting area were these little happy notes from me and my big ideas. So they had these little cute notebooks that I kind of have been eyeballing. I tried making my own, but it was really hard because of the punching part. So I ended up getting this one here. This one was $174, and it's a little girl. Looks like it's like a little girl or a little lady. I don't know. I couldn't even tell. I just grabbed it. So I got this one. This one was $174. It has a total of 60 sheets, and it's just a little notebook. There's nothing in there. I think these might be lines. Oh yeah, these have lines. So I got that one. I got this unicorn one. This one has lines, and then this one, I got these little 2 mermaid ones. I'm trying to look. Also, it's like this one's like graph one. These are lines, and then this one's graphed. Yeah, dot grid paper. So I got these. I got 2 of these. So that's pretty much what I got for the paper crafting section. Specifically, I wanted to share these stamps, and like I said, they were really good. I grabbed one of each one of these that I could find, and these as well, because I wanted to get each one. They didn't have a lot of colors. They just had what I show here. The little notebooks they did have, I think I grabbed one as well of each one. And then later on I regretted it because I thought I should have grabbed 2 of these unicorn ones for my nieces, but I was trying to stay away from the clearance section. There were so many things on clearance or reduced prices, and I just didn't want to get myself into a lot of trouble buying all these things. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.